Hello everyone, today we're going to be unboxing the PS5 controller and the PS5 controller dual charging station.
Just a quick note, y'all, I made some mistakes editing, so y'all won't be able to see the side view camera most of the time. There are a few times where I was able to use it, but other than that, it's not there. However, I was able to replace some of it with just pictures, so y'all will see those instead. Alright, that's all. Back to the video.
Now today let's go ahead and cut open the controller. Let me set the charging station aside so we can focus on the controller only. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. If we can. There we go. All right, so this was the little thing. All right, so we just got a white box right here. Very nice and clean. Ooh, and here it is. Got our paperwork. Set all this aside. Ooh. Ooh, it has such a nice weight to it. Oh, I love this. This is so clean. It's very nice and grippy on the back too. And also, on the grips on the back of the controller, it has little tiny triangles, squares, X's, and circles. I love the color scheme. So when you press the PlayStation button, the little LED light turns on, which is in pairing mode. PS5 controllers have haptic feedback and adaptive controllers. So what that means, say you're pulling back a bow in a game, the triggers will get more resistant to you pulling it back and it'll get harder to push down. The haptic feedback, it'll just make the game feel way more immersive. The bumpers, or the R1 and L1, have nice clickiness to them, and the triggers got a nice spring. The buttons are less noisy too, which is really nice. And the sticks are also a lot smoother. This also does have a built-in microphone in case you don't have a headset with a microphone, and it has a mute button toggle right there as well. Let's go ahead and move to the charging station. Set all this aside. Let's go ahead and open this one. Once again, we have a nice clean white box. Set that outer box aside. So it comes with a, Oh, I see. So it comes with a power bank and then the charger itself. The last PS4 charging station came with just a cord and the charging station itself. So I'm guessing that to make it more aesthetically pleasing, they put the power bank outside this time. This is actually longer than I thought it would be. So right here, so those are the contact points right there. And then the power cord will plug into that port right there. And if you notice, the design language of the charging station very closely mimics the PS5 itself. I'll throw up a picture of the PS5 next to the power station. It looks more like the digital one because the disk drive goes out right here on the console itself. Then you plug this right in here into the bottom, and then you would plug this cord into the power bank right here. And then you plug this into your wall. And then let's go ahead and get the controller over here and place that on here and see how that sits. Okay, so you just kind of find it. You don't gotta click it anymore. The PS4 charging station, you had to like click down. But this, it just, once it finds its contact points, it just sits there. I'm assuming because the PS4 one, it didn't have contact points, it had just another port there. So you just sit that right there. And then once I get the console, sit the other controller right there. Another nice thing about the controller is that the charging port is now USB Type-C instead of just a micro USB. So that'll be nice, be able to universify all of your cords and charging cables. Yeah, I could use my phone charger if I wanted to. There you have it. That's the unboxing for the PS5 controller and the controller dual charging station. Now I just need the PS5 itself. I'll do another unboxing video for that. I'll see you later.